Welcome. My name is Nicole Jordan, and I'm going to show you the projects I was doing in LTD 35350, Emerging Technologies, Dr. Franco. In the beginning, she asked us to start here, prayer devotional, and then the syllabus, and then our first week, the first assignment that I did was course review, introduction, and the infograph. And the infograph, as you can see, in my Adobe Spark, I did the technology changing the learning curve. That was one of the projects. Week 2, the discussion that we talked about, good for me, good for you. And here you go. This is my discussion and why I explained the questions on that part. And I gave scripture on Philippians 13. And there was a whole lot of replies. Then we had to do a group project, and this is what I was part of. This is questions that we had to ask for our group project. And I was in, I think, group 1. On the 4th week, we had to do gamification in my group project. And as you can see, the target behaviors, learning objectives, activity loop, reward system, and then here's the reference. One other project that I did in September, I think that was week 5, we had to do a peer review for each group project. The group title, contact, organization, creativities, and comments. That was fun. Week 4, we had to do another discussion on who's responsible for success of the student. And as you can see here, I did my part. Heroes versus villain. That was kind of cool. That's there on that. And here is my part that I said that as I look into the questions, I think the student, the teachers, the students and parents are responsible. And that's part of the scripture I used, 1 Samuel 17. Week 5, we did the website scavenger hunt. As you can see here. I did on Schoolcraft College. I broke everything down. That's one of my projects. This week, we had to change from the hero to the villain. And in my discussion, I put, last week I did the hero, and in my current job, sometimes some of my students look at the villain, and we was talking about the extended reality. So this is my discussion from that. In this project, I had to do technology analysis. I think this was week 7 or 6 where we had to introduce micro learning and badges, which I broke everything down. Stackable, credential. How can you use micro learning videos and training? And then I kind of put something in here for the military. How there's a good learning tool, and here's are the references. This is a finishing technology analysis template for the Avid program that I wanted to add to do part of my project. As you can see, I broke everything down for it to incorporate Avid program with technology, the budget, proposal, and my starting date. Week 8, the last final piece of the discussion board is what does the future hold? And as you can see, I can finish that. And this is the end of the class. Hope you enjoy my screencast. Be blessed.